Hello everyone, welcome to Sai Niketan online classes. In the previous class, we are discussing about linear programming problem. So, in this class, let us solve the remaining questions on exercise 12.1. Okay, so in that third question, maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y subjected to the conditions 3x plus 5y which is less than or equal to 15, 5x plus 2y which is less than or equal to 10, and x is more than or equal to 0, y is more than or equal to 0. So these are called non-negative constraints. X more than or equal to 0 and y more than or equal to 0, they are called the non-negative constraints. So while solving the graph, so we have to shade the solution region, that is a feasible region, only in the first quadrant, because the value of x is more than or equal to 0, the value of y is more than or equal to 0. Okay, so we already know that how to find the maximum or minimum value of the objective function by using the graph, right? So let us start. So the first inequality is, that is 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 50. Okay, write the inequality into equation, hence 3x plus 5y which is equal to what? 50. Okay, so clearly what it represents? So it represents a straight line. Okay, to draw a straight line we need the 2 points x, y. Substitute x equal to 0. What is the value of y? So clearly the value of y is how much? 3. Put the value of y equal to 0. What is the value of x? 5. So therefore the first point is 0 comma 3. The second point is 5 comma 0. Now we are going to find the solution by using the graph. For that you have to shade the solution by making the shade. So for this, here we will take the verification. So whether we have to shade the line, shade the solution region above the line or below the line. For this, here I will take the coordinate of the origin. We will substitute this in this inequality, that is 3x plus 5y which is less than or equal to 15. So after substituting x and y, so here you are getting 0 is less than or equal to 15. So clearly it is a true. Okay, if it is a true means you have to shade below the line, shade below the line, or shade towards the origin, both are same, towards the origin. Why we have to shade below the line or towards the origin? The point they lies below that line satisfy this reason. Okay, right. We'll go to the second one. Second inequality is, okay, second inequality is, that is this one, 5x plus 2y which is less than or equal to 10, hence it becomes 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. So clearly what it represents? So again it represents a straight line. To draw a straight line we need the 2 points x, y. Okay, substitute x equal to 0. What is the value of y? 5. Okay, substitute y equal to 0. What is the value of x? 2. So therefore the point C 0 comma 5, point D 2 comma 0. Again you have to go for verification. Okay, verification means we have to take the coordinate of the origin. Okay, again we have to substitute this coordinate here. So that is 5x plus 2y which is less than or equal to 10. Substitute 0, again here we are getting 0 is less than or equal to 10. So what it means? So clearly it is a true. If it is true means you have to shade below the line or towards the origin. If it is false, then you have to shade above the line. So here I will write shade below the line, okay, or both are same, shade towards the origin, okay, right. Now we are going to find the maximum value of the objective function by using the graph, right? So by using a graphical method we are going to find the maximum value of the objective function. Sorry, here I have to take the graph. Okay, here x-axis, here it is a y-axis, and here it is a origin. Okay, so what is the maximum value? That is 5 is there. So here we'll take 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here it is 1 2 3 4 5. So it is the first point 0 comma 3. So x equal to 0, y equal to 3 means this one. This is 0 comma 3. Point B is 5 comma 0. Okay, so join this. So here you are getting a straight line, that is 3x plus 5y, that is equal to 15. Okay, right. Now where we have to shade below the line. So if we shade below the line, so here we are getting, okay, first we'll shade this like this below the line. After that we have to find the feasible region. To find the feasible region we have to shade the common region, right? Feasible region is nothing but what? It is a common region determined by the all the constraints including non-negative constraint. Okay, right. Now we will go to the second one. So second line is 0 comma 5. So here we will take x equal to 0, y equal to 5 means, so this is the point 0 comma 5. Okay, right. Next 2 comma 0. So this is point D, 2 comma 0. Okay, right. So join this. Again here we are getting a line. This line is what? 5x plus 2y. This is equal to 10. Okay, thank you. Again here less than is there. Here it is a true statement, hence we have to shade below the line. So again here we are getting like this. Okay, okay, right. Now we have to shade the common region. So common region means so the both the line should be there. So here it is a black line is there, and here it is both black as well as red. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಿಂದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಕಾವು, ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ as well as a red line. So hence the solution region is this one. The solution region, it is called common region. Okay, this common region is also called ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು? feasible region ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is the feasible region. This is the feasible region of the LPP. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತು? Okay, right. Again here you should observe the feasible region is what? Bounded. Feasible region ಏನದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Bounded. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇದು feasible region. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾವು? ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೋಣ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಓ ಎ. here we'll take one more point, that is E, and this is a point D. O A E D. Okay, feasible region is O A E D. Again feasible region is what? Feasible region is bounded. Okay, so we already know that feasible region is bounded or unbounded. Its solutions always exist at the corner points. So here we'll write the corner points. What are the corner points? corner points are O, so coordinate is 0 comma 0, and one more is A 0 comma 3, and one more is E we have to find, one more is D, its coordinate is 2 comma 0. Now we don't know the coordinate of E. To find the coordinate of E we have to solve both the equation. Okay, right. So here I will write to find coordinate of E, that is 0 comma 0, solve 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 means, so these are only 3x plus 5y, this is equal to 15. One more is 5x plus 2y, this is equal to 10. You already know that how to solve the system of linear equation. So here I will multiply 5, I will multiply 3. Okay, so hence it becomes what, 15x plus 25y, this is equal to how much, 75. Okay, here it is 15x plus 6y, this is equal to 30. Subtract. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ರೀ, 19y is equal to 45, y is equal to 45 divided by 19. Now we got the coordinate of y. Okay, now to get the coordinate of x, I will substitute the value of y in this equation. Therefore substitute in 5x plus 2y, this is equal to 10. 5x plus 2 into 45 divided by 90, that is equal to 10. Okay, so ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, 19 into 5, 95x plus this is 95. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಈ 19 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 190. ಹೌದಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್, sorry, here it is 90 only. Okay, this is 90. 95x is equal to 190 minus of 90. 95x, that is equal to 100. X equal to 100 divided by 95. So clearly 25 divided by 90. So what is the coordinate of x? It is 20 by 90. Okay, now we got x equal to 20 by 19, y is equal to 45 by 90. So therefore what is the coordinate of E? That is 20 comma 19 and 45 comma 90. Okay, right. Now we already know that the feasible region is bounded, hence its maximum or minimum value of z is always occurs at the corner point. So here we will go to the corner point. Okay, here I will take corner point, and here we will take the objective function. This is the objective function, that is 5x plus 3y. Now we have to equate the coordinates of these corner points. What are those corner points? O 0 comma 0, A is 0 comma 3, and E is how much, 20 comma 19, and here it is 40 comma 45 comma 90. Okay, and one more is D, that is D of 2 comma 0. Substitute here. So clearly z is equal to 0, z is equal to 9, and z is equal to 5 into 20, okay, upon 19 plus 3 into, what is the value of this one, that is 45 divided by 19. So here I will simplify this one to the LCM 19, here it is 100 plus 135, so clearly 235 divided by 90, that is nothing but 12.36. Okay, so after simplification here we are getting 12.36. What is the coordinate of D? Coordinate of D is 2 comma 0. So what is the value of z? So clearly it is a 10. So here we got the 4 values, 0, 9 and 12.36. Out of this, which one is maximum? So here we want the maximum of z. So clearly maximum of z is this one. So therefore maximum. Okay, so therefore our answer is maximum of z is equal to 12.36 at the point E of the coordinate is 13 comma 20 and 45 comma 90. So this is the maximum value of z. So like this you have to solve. Okay, right. We'll go to the next question. Sorry, here the coordinate of E, sorry, here it is coordinate of E, they are 20 comma 19 and 40 comma. Okay, right. Okay, right. Go to the next question. It is question number 7. Question number 7 and 8 show that the minimum of z occurs at more than 2 points. Directly I will write the question only. 7, minimize and maximize z is equal to 5x plus 10y subjected to x plus 2y, which is less than or equal to 120, x plus y, which is more than or equal to 60. Here it is x minus 2y, that is more than or equal to 0. Again x more than or equal to 0, y more than or equal to 0. Okay, right. So here we will show that the minimum value of z occurs at the more than 1 point. Okay, it means that as usually we have to find the maximum or minimum. So in this problem they asked us to find both minimum and maximum, right? So first we should find the maximum or first we should find the maximum and minimum value of the z. After that we have to take list of all those values, that gives the minimum, and the highest of all those, that gives the maximum. So here also we have to follow the same procedure, but here we are getting the 3 lines because here we have the 3 inequalities. Okay, right. So the first one is, it is x plus 2y, it is less than or equal to 120. Write the equation into inequality into equation. So clearly then we have to take x, y. So substitute x equal to 0, what is the value of y? 60. Y equal to 0, what is the value of, put y equal to 0, what is the value of x? 120. Therefore the first point is 0 comma 60, point B is 120 comma 0. Okay, again here we have to go for verification where we have to shade. Okay, so here I will take the coordinate of origin. So what is the given inequality? X plus 2y, which is less than or equal to 120. So clearly 0 is less than or equal to 120, so hence it is true. If it is true means shade below the line, or towards the origin, shade towards the origin, both are same, towards the origin. So this is the first one is over. Okay, right. Now we'll go to the second one. Second inequality is this one, that is x plus 2y, sorry, x plus y more than or equal to 60. Write the inequality into equation, x plus y equal to 60. Again, what it represents? So it represents a straight line. To draw a straight line, we need the 2 points, x equal to 0. What is the value of y? 60. Y equal to 0. What is the value of x? 60. Point C, here we will write 0 comma 60. Point D, 60 comma 0. Okay, right. Now we will go for verification, where we have to shade. For that reason I am taking verification. 0 comma 0, take the coordinate of the origin and substitute here. So x plus y, which is more than or equal to 60. So clearly 0 is more than or equal to 60. 0, is it more than or equal to 60? No, hence it is a false. So here we will write false. If it is false, if it is a false, then shade, right? If it is true, shade below the line. Here it is false, shade above the line, above the line, right? Or we will write a shade away from the origin. Both are same. Away from the origin, the origin. Okay, right. Next third one. So that is third one, which one is, that is x minus of 2y, which is more than or equal to 0. Write the inequality into equation, x minus 2y. So here you should observe carefully. X equal to 2y, we got x equal to what? 2y. So here for this, here we have the constant, here it is 60 and here it is a constant is 120, but here we have no constant. So in a given equation of a line, if there is no constant, then it is understood that the line is always passing through the origin. Okay, so here or otherwise here I will replace the values of x and y. Okay, so here I will take x and here it is y. I will substitute x equal to 0. What is the value of y? So clearly it is also 0. Okay, right. Now I will take the value of x equal to 2. Here I will take x equal to 2. What is the value of y? Here it is 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1. Okay, to draw a line I am taking like this. Okay, the first point only 0 comma 0, right? And here I will take one more point, that is E, that is 2 comma 1. So but here we will write, so clearly line passing through origin, passing through the origin. Is it right? Line is passing through the origin. Okay, now here we have to go for verification, whether we have to shade above the line or below the line. For that, first we will draw the graph, and in the graph we will take the coordinate of the point which lies above or below, and we have to check. If it is true, we have to shade below the line. If it is false, then we have to shade away above the line. Okay, now we will write the graph. X-axis, here it is y-axis, and here it is a origin. Okay, so here the maximum of the point on x-axis is 120, and here we will start from 20. Okay, so while drawing the graph, you have to write the scale along x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 120. Okay, depending on the values. 20, I will take 40, here 60, here it is 80, it is 100. Okay, right. So here it is 120. Okay, right. Next here we'll write, here we'll write 20. Okay, here we'll take 40. Okay, here will 60. Okay, and here it is 80, here it is 100, here it is 120 and 140. Okay, So what is the first one? 0 comma 60. So this is the first one, A of 0 comma 60, B is 120. So here we are getting it is 120 comma, join this. So okay, right. What is the equation of this one? After drawing the line, you should write the equation of the line. So what is the equation of the line? It is x plus 2y, that is equal to 120. Okay, right. Second one, 0 comma 60 and 60 comma 0. So 0 comma 60, I think here only you are getting this is 0 comma 60, and here this is point D, 60 comma 0. Okay, join, here we are getting. Okay, right. So here what is the equation? X plus y is equal to how much? 60. Okay, right. Now to shade. So first line is shade towards the origin. Towards the origin means here not to shade like this. This one first line towards the origin or below the line. Okay, here is it right? Next, and second one, 0 is more than or equal to 16. So shade above the line or away from the origin. So here we have to shade like this. Okay, so this is for second line. Okay, next, this one 0 comma 0, 2 comma 1. So first point only 0 comma 0, clearly the line is passing through what? Origin. So here I should draw a line, that line should passing through the origin. Okay, so this is the line, I will make it dark. Okay, right. So this is the line, x equal to 2y. Okay, now for this line, where we have to shade? May we shade above this line or below this line? For that, so clearly here the line is passing through origin. To check that one, the points of this inequality, whether they are lies below or above. For that, here I will take the coordinate of that one point. That point is lies below the x-axis. Okay, if it after substituting this point, if you are getting LHS is less than or equal to RHS, then or LHS is more than or equal to RHS, then we say that the given the points of this inequalities, they are lies the below the this line. Okay, so here I will take 20 comma 0. Okay, here I will take, what is the coordinate of this point? That point lies on x-axis. So clearly here I will take the point 20 comma 0. Okay, I will substitute this 20 comma 0 in this inequality, x minus 2y, that is more than or equal to 0. So what is the value of x? 20. 20 minus 0 is more than or equal to 0. So clearly it is 20. 20 is more than or equal to 0. So clearly it is a true. Clearly it is a true. If it is true means you have to shade below the line. Okay, below the line, right? Similarly, you have to check for this point also, this point, right? Suppose if you take this point is lies above this line. So in that case, here you are getting a false statement. Okay, false means again the points lies above this line does not satisfy the given inequality. Therefore, the solution of the line x minus 2y is more than or equal to 0, they lies below this line. So therefore, here you should shade below. Okay, now after shading this, you have to write the common reason. Okay, here you got like this. Now you have to shade the common reason. So clearly ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದಾವ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈನದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾವ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್. ಓಕೆ, again this is also not a common, this is also not a common. So clearly the common reason ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? this reason. So again ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೇಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ positive x and positive y. So for that the solution is lies in the first quadrant only. So therefore so clearly the solution is this one. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಷ್ಟ, ಇದು ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀಸನ್. ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ನೀವು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದು ಮುಗಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದ, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಡಿ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ರಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದ ಎಚ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಡಿ ಜಿ ಎಚ್ ಬಿ, ಡಿ ಜಿ ಎಚ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, you already know that the feasible reason is bounded, then the solution is always exist at the corner point. So therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೋಣ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾವು, corner points. What are the corner points of the feasible reason? Corner points, they are D of 60, 0. G ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದಾದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 120, 0. ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಚ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಚ್ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಅವೆರಡೂ ಲೈನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಜಿದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟನ್ನು ನಾನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60 ಅದ, ಆ ಲೈನು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2y ಎರಡೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಜಿದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಚ್ದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೈನ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅದು ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್, that line first one, x plus 2y equal to 120, and this is the red one, that is x equal to 2y. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವನ್ನೆರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೇನ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೇನ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀ, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಡ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಬ್ಲೂನ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 60, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2y. ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ 2y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹೌ ಮಚ್, 60, 3y is equal to 60, y is equal to 20. Okay, y is equal to 20 means what is the value of x? X is equal to 2 into 20, x equal to how much, 40. The coordinate of z, they are 40, 20. 40, 20. First one on ಮುಗಿತು. G the coordinate 40, 21. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀನ್ರಿ 40, 20. Okay, right. Next we have to find the coordinate of ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ coordinate of to get coordinate of ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ h ಹೌದಾ. To find the coordinate of h again we have to solve black line ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ x plus 2y that is equal to 120 and red one x is equal to how much 2y. So x equal to 2y ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 2y plus 2y is equal to how much 120, 4y is equal to 120, y is equal to 30. Okay, y is equal to 30 means what is the value of x equal to 2y, x equal to 60, the coordinate of h here I'll write the coordinate of h 60, 30. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೇನ್ರಿ coordinate of h 60, 30. Okay, right. Now we got the coordinate of all the corner points. So we already know that if the feasible region is bounded or unbounded also, the solutions exist at the corner point. Okay, right. So here we'll make the table. So here I'll write the corner point and here z means objective function 5x plus 10y. Okay, here are the corner points are d of 60, 0, the g of 40, 20, the one more h of 60, 30, and one more b of 120, 0. Okay, right. So here z substitute here. So here you are getting 5 into 60 plus 0. So clearly ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ 300. Okay, so again z is equal to 5 into 40 plus 5 into 40 next plus 10 into 20. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇದು 200. Okay, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೇನ್ರಿ z is equal to 200 plus 200. So clearly it is 400. Okay, next ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ h ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 60, 30. z is equal to ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 5 into 60 plus 10 into 30. So clearly z is equal to 300 plus 300. So clearly it is a 600. Okay, right. Next, so one more point, that is b of 120, 0. So z is equal to 5 into 120 plus 5 into 120 plus ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 5 into 120 plus 10 into 0. So clearly ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ so clearly okay z is equal to so 600 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 200 ಇದು 200 400 ಸೊ 300 ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ is 600, minimum is how much 300. So here what they asked you to find, show that the minimum of z is occur at the more than the 2 points. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 300 400 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, okay, so here we got the minimum is 300 and here it is 400 and here it is 600 and 600. So here we got the minimum value at a d of 60 comma 0, that minimum value is 300. And here we got the maximum, at the 2 points. Those 2 points are h and b. So here you see that, so here it is a b and here it is a h. So here you should remember the minimum or maximum value of the z, that may shows at more than 1 or 2 points. ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಚ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ 600 ಬಂದದ ಜಡ್ಡದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಬಿ ಒಳಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 600. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 600 ಇಲ್ಲೂ 600 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಚ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಟ್ಟದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಜಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 600, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 600. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕಾದ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಚ್ ಜಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ joining line segment joining, this gives the same maximum or minimum value. Okay, right. So here I will write, so therefore minimum of z is how much, 300 at point, ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅದು, d of 60 comma 0. and maximum of z is equal to 600 at all the points on the line segment, joining the points h of 60 comma 30 and g of 120 comma 0. ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಾವು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ 600 at 2 points, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೆಡ್ at all the points on the line segment joining the point h of 60 comma 30 and g of 120 comma 0. Okay, right. Up to this and remaining we will continue in next class. Thank you.